If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share the video to your family and friends. If not, these creatures will chase you everywhere you go. Introducing AirDroid Cast application for your Android and iOS mobile devices. This app will allow you to share the screen from your phone to your computer. To know how to do screen sharing using your mobile device to your computer, let's watch this video.
Today I'm going to show you how you can do screen sharing from your cell phone to your laptop or desktop computer. The reason why I am creating a video related to this one because there are streaming applications that you can't play on the laptop or your desktop computer. That's why. So just in case if you are also experiencing the same kind of situation, you can follow this one or you can watch this on how you can do it. Okay, so first things first, you just need to download the application, which is the AirDroid Cast, to your computer and to your phone. So in order for you to download this app, the AirDroid Cast, you can open any browser, then just search AirDroid Cast application, and it will show you the links on how you can download it. You just need to click those links. So let's try it. AirDroid Cast application. So there it is, AirDroid Cast app. And as you can see, it will show this page and you just need to click it. Then you will be able to find the AirDroid Cast here, and you just need to scroll it down. Then you will find here the AirDroid Cast, and you just need to click it in order for you to download to your computer. This is the one. Alright, then after you download the app, of course you have to log in, and you can use the same credentials from the AirDroid application that you installed. And after you log in, you should see this page, and it will let you to scan the QR code in order for you to begin screen sharing from this phone to that computer. And to your phone, for Android, you need to download the application of AirDroid Cast in the Play Store. For those iPhone users, you can just go ahead and open the App Store in order for you to log in or to use the AirDroid Cast or search for it. And now let's begin downloading the AirDroid Cast. One moment. So let's type here, oh there it is, AirDroid Cast. And as you can see, it will say, it says open because I just downloaded it earlier, and of course I just log in. That's why it immediately showed this page. And as you can see, there is a code right there. That is the code from my computer below the QR code. Okay. So in other words, you can just type the code right here below the QR code from the computer, of course inside the AirDroid Cast. And that way you will be able to connect to it. And take note that your computer must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network and also your phone. In that way you will be able to successfully do screen sharing. Otherwise it will not go through. Okay, now and also this icon will let you scan the QR code. If you don't like to type the code manually, you have an option right there to scan the QR code. That's QR code. Let's try it. Let's start casting. Now it's trying to connect to my laptop, and my laptop is trying to connect to my phone. Normally you will see this kind of page that it will say, reminding you about something that your phone is going to be, or the screen will be shared to unknown equipment or device. So we can just go ahead and start now. There it is. Now it's casting or doing a screen sharing. And my laptop is doing the same things. If you are looking to this page already, there's a progression timer right there, casting. That means you successfully doing a screen sharing from your phone to that computer. We have here options or features below that we can enable or disable. Of course, if you're going to watch a movie from a streaming application that from this phone to your laptop, you can just turn this on in order to share the device audio. In that way, because if you don't share the device audio, you will not hear any sound from that computer if you're going to do screen sharing and watching movie from that computer while doing screen sharing. Okay. Since I already did the screen sharing, as you can see, it's trying to do the same thing. So whatever I can see on my phone, you will be able to see it on the laptop. So I successfully did screen sharing. And the good thing is you can actually enlarge the screen. So that's it. There it is. And as you can see, it shows my screen on that computer from this cell phone. So let's try to open the YouTube. There it is. Okay, as you can see, I opened YouTube. You can also try to watch the video right here, and as you can see, you can hear the audio, right?
In this video, I will show you how to control or monitor other
just
gadgets by
minimize the
using AirDroid
sound
Mirror app and
from
AirDroid
my
Remote
phone,
Control Access.
but I can still
As you saw from
hear
the
the
previous
sound.
video that was uploaded, you have to download the
that
AirDroid
computer.
app on the other gadgets. If you like to give the
So that means when I share the audio, it's effectively adapting to that computer. So that's why you can hear the sounds, whatever I am seeing here on my phone. And let's give it a try.
phone to access your primary.
See, you can hear the sound from that computer. And let's try to disable. Let's try to disable the sharing of device audio. So I am no longer sharing my audio from my phone to that computer. So let's try to go back to the YouTube channel or YouTube video. So yep, that's it. It's not playing the audio on my computer. It's not playing, but if I will adjust the volume
Family
to
members'
my phone,
devices without them knowing, you can just download
my
AirDroid
phone's
Remote
producing
Control
the
app and
sound,
AirDroid Control add-on only.
not on that computer.
Now let's cut to the chase and watch this.
Okay. Guys, if you enjoy this video, hit subscribe and like and share it to your friends. Thank you.